Hi, my name is Dane. I am a youth minister, and for Corsizio, I give them a 4 out of 5 stars. For more reviews like this, click below. Before using Corsizio, I also used a product called Typeform, and we had used Typeform for quite a while, but the reason why we moved away from it was it it provided form access, but it only allowed the user to see limited information at one time, and sign up became clunky and not as user friendly. So we ended up moving away from Typeform for those reasons. We chose Corsizio because it was easy to change around and to manipulate for how you wanted to utilize it. It provides some variety in how you can use it for signups or for registration or other things like that. And so it was something that we could kind of make our own and utilize in whatever way we needed. Um, the biggest thing was is there was no charge to set it up and to get things going. Now, if you use payments, there is a surcharge, but with all the other uh, software out there, this one was a no-brainer because of the ease of creating and for the various things you could make, but also for the fact that they weren't charging you to use their platform. It was pretty easy to get Corsizio connected into our things. Their access is real easy. You create your own URL for your Corsizio sign up or registration, and so we made something that was easy that people would remember that connects to our people and our setting here. The other thing that we had to figure out was how do we share this in ways that get people understanding that not only is it a sign up, but it's information as well, because they have the main page where you can gather information before you enter into the sign up or registration portal. And so that was the biggest thing, was for us to kind of help people see that it wasn't just a sign up or registration piece, but it was also an information sharing thing. And so that was probably our biggest piece, but it was easy to share and to send out things via email or text, or integrate them into websites and other online platforms. Recommendations for using Corsizio would be to just look around and see how this site and this platform and this software helps you, and see the ability for it to kind of be tailored fit for you. The great thing is that they do connect with you and will help kind of guide you in this. But I would say I would just recommend utilizing it because A, you don't have to pay anything to get going with it. B, free events are totally free for you on your end, and it's easy to integrate their payment system into whatever you need it to do for you. Plus, you can do discount codes and all sorts of other things that allow you to kind of fit it for sales, or fit it for registrations, or fit it for event sign up. It's pretty flexible. And a great thing is you can use it on a phone or tablet. You can do registration check-ins and things like that. So those are the reasons why I would recommend utilizing it and taking advantage of this system.